Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do dino addition, means addition with dino eggs. So let's start. How many dinosaur eggs are all together? 1 plus 1 will gives you 2. How many dinosaur eggs are there? 2 plus 2 will gives you 4. How many dinosaur eggs are there? 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. 3. 3 plus 3 will give 6. How many dinosaurs eggs are there? 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gives you 7. How many dinosaurs are here? 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2 will gives you 5. How many dinosaur eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 2 gives you 10. How many dinosaur eggs altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gives you 12. How many dinosaur eggs altogether? 4 plus 5 will together gives you 9. How many dinosaur eggs altogether? 8 plus 8 will gives you together 16 eggs. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.